Imagine looking up at the night sky one evening, only to find the moon is gone. Not a gradual disappearance, but as if someone simply removed it. The moon has always been a part of our lives. Tides, calendars, even myths and legends all revolve around it. But what if it disappeared right now? Would Earth keep functioning as usual, or would everything fall apart? The first thing you'd notice is the darkness. The moon provides about 13% of the light at night. Without it, the nights would become terrifyingly dark. Sure, the stars would appear a bit brighter, but that's not enough. This darkness would heavily impact nocturnal animals. Creatures like owls, wolves, or even insects that rely on moonlight for navigation or hunting would suddenly become disoriented. Some predators wouldn't be able to hunt, while some prey might have a better chance of escaping. The moon is responsible for 60% of the ocean's tides. Without it, tides would drastically weaken, becoming dependent only on the sun's gravitational pull. This change would wreak havoc on coastal ecosystems. Tides don't just regulate marine life, they also move nutrients throughout the oceans. Without this cycle, many species could quickly face extinction. Coastal cities would also be affected. Many human structures, like ports, depend on regular tidal patterns. The loss of strong tides would make shipping and fishing far more challenging. One of the moon's most crucial roles is stabilizing Earth's axis. Currently, the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees relative to its orbit around the sun, which is what gives us seasons. But without the moon, Earth's axis could begin to wobble unpredictably. This would lead to catastrophic climate changes. Imagine the North Pole warming up while tropical regions freeze. These changes would not only threaten animal life, but also challenge human civilizations. For example, Mars, which lacks a large moon, has experienced dramatic shifts in its axis over time. This instability is one reason why Mars lost much of its water and atmosphere. The moon also plays a significant role in gradually slowing down Earth's rotation. Without it, Earth would spin faster. At first, the change would be barely noticeable. But over millions of years, the length of a day could shrink to just 6 to 12 hours instead of 24. Shorter days would have a massive impact on Earth's ecosystems. Many living organisms rely on the 24-hour day-night cycle. If days became shorter, plants would have less time to photosynthesize, and many species that depend on this cycle might not survive. Now think about how these changes would affect humans. Weak tides, unpredictable weather, shorter days, and darker nights would all disrupt human civilization. For instance, coastal cities might either flood or dry up because the tides no longer function as expected. Agriculture would also suffer massively. Seasons would become unpredictable, making it nearly impossible to grow crops like wheat or rice. Culturally, the absence of the moon would leave a deep mark on us. For thousands of years, the moon has inspired our stories, myths, and even scientific discoveries. Losing it wouldn't just be a physical loss, but a psychological one as well. Despite all these changes, Earth would still keep spinning, but it wouldn't be the Earth we know today. Many species would go extinct. Human civilizations would face unprecedented challenges, and future generations might not even be able to imagine a time when a moon existed in the sky. The moon is far more than just a rock in the sky. This small celestial body plays a massive role in maintaining Earth's balance. If it were to disappear, Earth would continue to exist, but it would change so drastically that it might no longer be livable for us. So, the next time you look at the moon, remember how this seemingly small object has such a massive impact on our planet.